Hello everybody, we'll be discussing about power plant engineering, and our first unit in this course is the coal-based thermal power plants. So basically we'll first discuss about the modern layout of the coal power plant, and we'll see the details of the coal power plant. This is the one of the layout of the power plants which we use in our daily life today. So basically, we have a coal handling plant which converts the coal into small pieces. Further, this pulverizer it converts the coal into small, micro-sized pieces and provides it into the boiler. The boiler converts the water provided by the canal and it converts it into steam. So basically, water coming from this canal is firstly heated in the feed water heater, where it raises the temperature of the water, and further in the economizer the temperature is of the water is increased, and this preheated water is provided into the boiler, and boiler converts it into steam, and the superheater converts the steam into superheated steam to increase the efficiency of the power plant. It provides the superheated steam into the turbine, which generates electricity with the help of a generator, and this saturated water coming out of the turbine uh, goes into this condenser. Further, it is provided to the cooling tower, where it sprinkles the water into air, which reduces down the temperature of the water. Further, it is provided to the pump, and it goes back to the feed water heater and economizer, where it is provided back to the boiler. Now we have a ash handling plant, which we'll be discussing later on, and further we have this brown line, which are the flue gases coming out of the boiler. It is very important to remove from the boiler because it may damage the boiler and they reduce the efficiency of the power plant. So we use the heat of this flue gases to heat the steam by the superheater, and further in economizer and air preheater. Air coming from outside provided to the boiler for oxygen purpose, so that the coal may be burned. So we preheat it using the flue gases. So now we'll be discussing about the boilers in the power plant. So, based on critical point, boilers are of two types: supercritical boilers and subcritical boilers. Critical point of any substance is that point where all the three states of matter can coexist: solid, liquid, and gas. So, critical point of water is 373.946 degrees Celsius and 220.63 bar, and supercritical boilers are those which operate above this critical point of water, and subcritical operate below the critical point of water, and this supercritical boilers are more efficient than the subcritical boilers. We have another type of boiler which is FBC. We can say it as fluidized bed combustion boilers. So in this FBC type of boiler, we have coal and limestone, which are generally in small pieces. We provide them in small pieces so that can have efficient burning, and we provide limestone so that emissions of harmful gases can be reduced. So we provide this mixture into this boiler, and we provide air which is preheated over here, and it has a very high velocity. So these are small pieces of coal and limestone can rise above this boiler. So with a very high velocity it rises and it burns over here, and we provide a water and which converts into steam, and similarly over here. So what it happens is that some of the pieces may get outside, so we provide a dust collector over here, which provides the small particles of the coal and limestone back into the boiler. So what is happens that the flue gases is removed via this pipeline, and further it is removed by the exhaust.